How to stop Microsoft Edge from blocking your downloads. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from blocking your downloads. So first, let's open Microsoft Edge. Click on the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner to access the menu and then select Settings. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Privacy Search and Services. Scroll down until you find the Security section. Here, toggle up the Block Potentially Unwanted Apps option. This setting can often be too restrictive and prevent downloads from sites you trust. If you're trying to download from a specific sites and Edge is blocking them, go back to Settings, then click on Cookies and Site Permissions. Look for automatic downloads and add the sites you want to allow downloads from. Next, let's check Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. While still in Privacy Search and Services section, scroll down to the Security section. You will see the Microsoft Defender Smart Screen option. If you find that it's too restrictive and interfering with your downloads, you can toggle it off. Just a word of caution, disabling Smart Screen can leave your device more vulnerable to potential threats. So be sure to only disable it if you are confident in the sites you are downloading from. Make sure you are running to the latest version of Edge to avoid bugs related to downloads. Click on the three dots again and go to Help and Feedback, and then select About Microsoft Edge. This will check for updates automatically. If all else fails, you might want to reset your Edge settings. Go to Settings, then click on Reset Settings and choose Restore Settings to their default values. This will reset all settings but won't delete your favorites or passwords. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to stop Microsoft Edge from blocking your downloads. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.